Snoring isn't just annoying, it is deadly, literally. Sleep apnea is silently stealing men's life. It stops your breathing dozens of times at night, but you don't even know because you're snoring away. It raises blood pressure and it puts you at risk for stroke. It also destroys testosterone and it causes you to have low energy. So if you snore, get tested. Your life depends on it, literally. The craziest part, sleep apnea might be the real reason behind your fatigue. It could also be the reason behind the erectile dysfunction. So get it treated and you might treat a lot of things.